Long Dong Silver, a unique rock formation in a region of Utah that's brimming with out-of-this-world landscapes. This is easily one of the most impressive formations that we've seen in person. If you've been trying to decipher the exact location of this place and how to find Long Dong Silver, we've got all the information you need. Long Dong Silver, also commonly known as the Spire or the Needle, is located in central Utah near a small town called Hanksville, with Capitol Reef to the west, the Henry Mountains to the south, and the San Rafael Desert to the east. There is no official route to get out to the rock spire, so you'll need to find the best path to take. You could park along Utah Highway 24 and walk about 2 miles from the highway, but it's easier to drive in further and cut that in half. The pull-off coordinates from Highway 24 is in the description, or you can continue along the road tracks leading from the highway before reaching signs clearly stating that there's no motor vehicles are allowed beyond this point. From the parking area, you'll be heading directly north, paralleling a dry wash. You'll hike on this dirt path for about a mile and slowly start to see Long Dong Silver on the right. The spire itself is just as impressive up close as it is from far away. It's made of a fairly crumbly rock, and you can see firsthand how weathered it is and question how much longer it will stand up to the forces of erosion. The best views and photos are definitely from the far northeast side of Long Dong Silver, so make some time to walk up to and around it and then make your way back to your vehicle by retracing your steps. The temperature near Hanksville is generally mild in the spring and fall, but climbs sharply over the summer, especially in July and August. This is a very dry and sunny desert location, with no shade at all, and the elevation at around 4,500 feet is worth considering as well. The summer also brings higher chances of sudden storms and windy conditions that sweep through the area. If you plan to go during the summer, we'd recommend an early morning visit when temperatures are lowest and afternoon storms haven't fully developed. If it has rained recently, the soft and dusty ground could easily become difficult to drive in, so don't chance it under those conditions unless you have a very capable 4x4 vehicle. Overall, the best time to visit Long Dong Silver would definitely be in the spring or fall. Either way, check the weather in advance and bring plenty of water to stay hydrated, as the sun and elevation can easily sneak up on you. We have a dedicated Hanksville video playlist filled with other awesome unworldly locations such as Moonscape Overlook, Factory Butte, Swing Arm City, and the Bentonite Hills. Be sure to check out these videos and add more locations to your Utah trip itinerary. We hope you have an amazing time visiting Long Dong Silver. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe to our adventure channel to see more weekly hiking video guides.